I just did this huge live reel and then went to go and share it on Instagram, but I didn't. I just deleted it, so that's good. But I thought I'd quickly jump back in. So ignore if you just saw the live reel because this will be a replay. But I've put up lots of new t-shirts under RTS, which is ready to ship. Ready to ship means ones that we house here in Mount Vic and me. And otherwise they come via a manufacturer. So I've got a whole stack in today. They've just gone online and I've ordered some more because of course January is also Christmas school holidays, so still come even though Christmas is coming and going. And then I talked about giving a recap from the couch. This is so lazy, I'm so sorry. With my I've got my bare feet hanging out. These tables, these two 600 by 1800 tables that fold down, I'm getting rid of them and I am purchasing new big market tables for workshops and some new stackable chairs with the puffy finish, like the padded finish, and I'll get some cushions and stuff. And then in January the lights will be fixed. So I'm thrilled. I'm committing to the whole workshop thing. And then I spoke about I'm recapping. Then I talked about how horrified I am this week with what's happened at Bondi, and I won't get into arguments with people about whose religion's good and whose is bad, and which people are good and which people are bad. We need to all absolutely care for each other right now, and we don't need to be doing any of that stuff. I won't enter into that conversation with people, and I have booked to donate blood, and I am interested in finding about a synagogue locally. I don't know anything about synagogues, but I saw one of the rabbis at Bondi saying they would love the wider community to drop in. So I'm in the Blue Mountains. I don't know, maybe Western Sydney I'd say would probably have one. And I won't donate. I'm donating the blood, and I'll do my last donation this year to Wayside Chapel, the donated plate. I do that every year, and that'll be it. So I've got the Difficult Woman Jane Goodall t-shirt in the semi-fit, just arrived in white with the black text across the front. I've donated twice to the Jane Goodall Australia Institute over the last 2 months. And that's it. So I just want you to take care of yourself and be firm on what you enter and don't enter into with people that are, I guess, wanting to discuss who are good and bad people out there in the world. No, I'm not doing that. I'm not doing that at all. And just look after each other. This is not about who's good and who's bad. There's two very bad people, individuals, father and son. And then there were many, many, many good people, incredible people that stepped up. And my thoughts are with the victims' families. I shouldn't say victims' families. So many victims, so many families, so many friends, so many people standing by, watching that horrific stuff happen. I learnt my sister-in-law, well, one of them was at Bondi and left an hour before the carnage. She was at North Bondi. And then a friend in Mount Victoria. I don't know this person in the relative of them, but their cousin was one of the police officers that was gunned down. So it doesn't affect me personally. You don't have to say I'm sorry, all that stuff to me. But I'm thinking about that family, and I don't know that person. So this is going to have such big implications, as we move through Christmas and New Year's and celebrations and the end of school for this beautiful child that's now gone, and her friends and schoolmates and all of that stuff, and some of the heroes, some of the people that stopped or tried to stop every step to help, people that protected children from gunfire. All of that. We'll hear more and more of these stories. So, and I'm thrilled to hear. I've never liked the fireworks in Sydney Harbour. I'm one of those people that finds that cost exorbitant and ridiculous, and it's not something that all of New South Wales benefits from when it's Sydney that gets that kind of thing, and we all watch it on television. I am pleased to hear that they've canned it this year in light of what's happened, and also that the sound and it'd sound like gunfire and all that stuff. So I'm very happy about that. But anyway, I'm waffling again. So I'm sorry. Take care. Look after yourself. I'll check in with you again. I'm here Friday. Kevin's here Saturday. I'll be floating. I'm here again Monday, 10 till 3. So what's that? Monday, 22nd maybe of December. I'm considering I might even come Tuesday and spend the whole day and open up again. Those last minute deals, let me know if you're interested. There's lots here. Oh, I can't even show you. I can't even spin around. I'm too tired. Anyway. Oh, and I'm going to see Don West on Friday night. Woohoo! See ya. Bye.